Hello friends, welcome to RG Security Team. We scan QR codes on our smartphones every day for one thing or another. But did you know that the code that makes your job easier could be the reason your device gets hacked? Currently, cybercriminals are hiding malicious scripts or malware links behind QR codes. As soon as you scan, files or personal information can be stolen from your device without your knowledge and without any notification in the background. In today's video, we will talk about this QR code phishing or quishing and how you can protect yourself from it. Let's get started. Keep in mind an important point at the beginning of the video. This video is for educational purposes only. Misusing such tools is a legal offense. So let's first see how a hacker injects a malicious URL into a QR code. There are many tools online for this, but I wrote a Python script myself and uploaded it to my GitHub. So now, using this, we will inject a link into a QR code. So here I have provided all the commands to install this tool. Copy the commands one by one and paste them into the terminal. Then it will be installed. See, our recommendation package has been installed. Now, if we give this command, our tool will run. See, our tool has run. Now, with this tool, we can encode any URL or any text into a QR code. For example, I will create a phishing link with another of my tools, Evil Eye, and encode it in a QR code. So I'm quickly creating a link to it in a template. And those who don't know about these Evil Eye tools can click on the I button above to watch the video about these tools. For those who don't know, this tool silently captures images from the victim's device using the front camera and sends them to the attacker's system. The special feature of this tool is that it has a good number of templates and it can capture high-quality images. I repeat, do not use such tools without permission. Look, we have created the link here. Now we will encode it into a QR code. For this, I am copying the link from here and pasting it into the QR code generator tool. Now, it is asking me in which folder or path I want to save the generated QR code. So I'm saving it right here, so I pressed enter without specifying any path. See, our QR code has been generated. Now, if I open the QR code generator folder, I can see the QR code I created here. Now, if we scan it with a QR code scanning tool, we will be able to see the link it has injected. Look, here it shows the link we injected. If this QR code is scanned with an Android device, this link will redirect directly to the Chrome browser. Now I'm going to show you another demo. How a hacker can download malware to your device through a QR code scan. Look, I have set a payload link in the QR code generator and created its QR code. Now if I scan it, let's see what happens. Look, as soon as I scan it, the payload I set up is here with the direct download option. Many ordinary people unknowingly download such files. You have to be careful about these things. Here's another awesome demo. I'm scanning another QR code, and as soon as I scan it, my device will be compromised and a interpreter session will start in the terminal. I cannot show you this process due to YouTube community guidelines. You saw what the consequences of scanning a QR code can be. So now the question is, what is the way to avoid these? The answer is very simple. 1. Carefully check the URL or link. After scanning any ordinary QR code, a URL/link is displayed on the screen before being taken directly to a website. Pay close attention before clicking on the link. 2. Maximum caution when using QR codes in public places. Be extremely careful when scanning QR codes on walls or posters on roads, bus stops, parks, or any public place. Hackers often place stickers of malicious QR codes they create over genuine or official QR codes. This is called QR code tampering. Before scanning, touch it with your hand to make sure it is not a sticker. 3. Using a secured QR scanner app. Instead of scanning directly with the phone's default camera, you can use a QR scanner app made by a good security company, e.g. Kaspersky QR Scanner or Norton QR Scanner. 4. Not providing personal information or making payments just by scanning. If, after scanning a QR code, a page asks for your username, password, OTP, bank details, or credit card information, stop immediately. Remember, There is no legitimate way to obtain information by simply scanning a QR code. It is definitely a phishing trap. 5. Turn off auto downloads from third-party sources. The main purpose of a malicious QR code is to download a harmful .apk or file in the background as soon as it is scanned. Always keep the Install Unknown Apps or Auto Download option from third-party sources turned off in your phone's browser and settings. As a result, your permission will be requested when a file is to be downloaded. 6. Keeping the device's OS and security updated. Always keep your Android or iOS device updated with the latest security patches. Hackers often use security loopholes, exploits in old operating systems to push malicious code. Keeping the device up to date greatly reduces this risk. So that's it for today. If you liked the video, please like it, share it with your friends to warn them, and don't forget to subscribe to RG Security Team for more cybersecurity related videos like this. See you in the next video. Stay safe, stay secure.